hold us back. Take a stand, make a vow. No limits, no fear, we're breaking the mold. Our stories being written in red, white and gold. From the grind to the glow, we push through the pain. Every loss is a lesson, every setback a gain. We don't wait for the call, we make it ourselves. With passion like thunder and hearts full of well. Feel the spark in your chest, that's the flame. We're not chasing the dream, we are the name. So lock in, focus tight, take heighten your dedication, feel it ignite. With a spark in the dark, turning night into light. Get excited, get loud, let your spirit run free. This is who we are, this is meaning. Bam, 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 that's the sound of the future knocking on the door. Bam, 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 we don't just win, we want more. Founders rising with vision so clear, building the empires from whispers and fear. Affiliates strong, united we stand, hand in hand making history, hand in hand. No room for the weak, no time for the slow. We move like a storm, let the whole world know. Success is in luck, it's will, grit and soul, and we're taking control, reaching for the goal. Can you hear it? The beat of the drum, the revolution's here and it's just begun. Heighten your dedication, feel it ignite. With a spark in the dark, turning night into light. Get excited, get loud, let your spirit run free. This is who we are, this is meaning. That's the sound of the future knocking on the door. We don't just win, we want more. You feel that? That pulse, that power. That's you, that's us, that's unstoppable. Now rise, now roar, now burn. You feel that pulse got power. Heighten